Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we're going to go over week 5, transfer of power, party fighting. Is this fun yet? We're looking at this as they call it a 4-day week, that Friday is officially a student non-contact day, so students don't need to log in and stuff. So your schedule will go Monday through Thursday, and then, as always, everything's not due until Sunday night. But Friday is not considered a student work day, student contact day. So my suggested schedule for you is going to go Monday through Thursday. All right. And just some reminders, of course, you're watching this. So this week we will not have a weekly quiz, but everything else is kind of similar. Make sure you're checking your gradebook. Do it definitely on Mondays, and you should do it. If I were you, I'd do it every day. That's where the feedback is and stuff like that. Also, you're watching this video, so watch this video every week and my suggested schedule. Also, don't forget about the Start Here folder. The syllabus and contact info for me is here. And also, this is a really important folder, tips, tricks, and student resources. Just look at all this stuff. 9 times out of 10, when students get stuck on something, the answer is in here somewhere. Okay, so we are going to be looking at week 5, which is pretty much the end of Unit 1, as you can see. And you see only 4 day folders. Now, just 2 things. We do have vocab for you to go over this week. You don't have to turn it in as an assignment, though. And then your assignment, Power and Authority in the Founding of the United States, is a discussion board, which then leads to, and on day 4, you'll see that your actual assignment for this week is called Historical Head Midterm Project. And if you, so this discussion board kind of is the preview, kind of leads up to it. And then go ahead today, Monday, hopefully, that you're watching this, and go through the Historical Head Midterm Project, even though it's listed on Thursday. Go ahead and look at it, and because everything this week is going to be kind of pointing towards it. There are audio directions here. The dates, the due dates on the audio directions might be a little bit different, but just follow the suggested schedule. And then here's the historical head. Basically, you're going to be, you open this up, you're going to be creating, let's see, oh, here we go. Here's an example of the historical head where you're going to find artifacts that about a famous person of this time period. This is Alexander Hamilton, the example that we have here, and directions and stuff. So there's the Word document and all of that. All right, so one assignment, one discussion board that are tied in together. And that's about it for this week. So let me know if you have any questions. I see a bunch of you on Wednesday, of course, and we can talk then. But within that, try and get everything done before Friday so that you can have a nice long 3-day weekend. All right, go Buffs. Hope they're doing well. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.